Hi, this is LAXMIKANTH-G show. Today's workout. Main important is stretching workout. Before we work out, compulsory do the stretching. Compulsory. To get this stretching is more main important. Muscle building, everything is most weight loss and everything is workout. Main important is only for stretching. If you like this workout, please subscribe to our channel.
Okay,
Ready? First stretch your hamstring. Arms straight. Okay. Right side down. Your right side down. Slowly stretch. Okay. After that, again one more stretch. 30 seconds. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One hand put you down and don't bend your knees like this. Stretch. Yes. Come up. Down. Right side down. Right side down. Legs close. Down. Yes. Well, stretch. More fingers is stretch. Well, look is up. Yes. This manual stretch. Well, excellent. Good job. Okay. Another side. Stretch. This also same main important. 30 seconds. Well, don't bend your knees. Knee always tight. Okay. Stretch. Well, excellent. Look. Okay. Okay. Another leg is turn the leg. Turn the leg like this. Stretch. One is down. Come on, touch, you touch, yes, bend your knees, elbows, bend, yes, touch, keep your hand, touch, stretch your finger, yes, okay, this is the L shape 90 degrees, after that this down leg is 90 degrees and stretch, you bend your knee, stretch, yes, super, very good, excellent, okay, after that, complete the more stretches, take the support and just hold it like raise your leg